To my channel. Today we are doing a kind of a cool video. I am doing a review and demo on these ALMAY Pop Quad eyeshadows. So I have 15 of these bad boys to test with you guys today, and I did this look with them, and I think I used 5 of them, but I didn't have time to really swatch every single one of them because there's so many. But I show you every single one of these, and yeah, I tried to incorporate as many of the colors I could on my eye. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, it really helps me out, and subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 new videos a week, and click that little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So if you guys want to see me review and demo these ALMAY new eyeshadows, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys a little bit what these say. So these are currently right now in Canada for $6 a quad, and they have 4 finishes. There's matte, metallic, glitter, and satin. They are hypoallergenic, ophthalmologist tested, and they're suitable for sensitive eyes and also people who wear contacts. Yeah, so there's 15 different shades. It says here they're formulated and luminosity boosting. They're formulated with luminosity boosting agents and high optical transparency, delivering bright, beautiful colors and velvety smooth texture. So they're high pearl and mica, and they're also high pearl and mica. And suitable for sensitive eyes. There's matte, satin, metallic, and glitter, and there's 4 finishes. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you the colors, like what ones there are, and yeah. So I'm just going to pick a couple to swatch because there's 15 of them, you guys. So the ones I use, I'll swatch. So I'm going to show you them. This one is 210 Unplugged. Here Goes Nothing. Unicorn. You can't even really see it. This is Never Settle, and a bit chalky, but that's Never Settle. I'll try a darker one after. Less is More. Less is More. That's Unapologetic. Like I said, they're not very pigmented with the finger swatch, but I'm going to test them on my eyes. Thrill Seeker. That's the only pigmented one so far. That's just with the finger swatch. That's the 2 top colors. Pure Gold Baby. Own It. That's Own It. Making a Statement. Throwing Shade. This is Throwing Shade. Ambition. So this one's Ambition. Individualist. Cause a Stir. World is Your Oyster. Can't open that one because it's broken. Unplugged. Here Goes Nothing. And all of these eyeshadows will be listed in my description. And again, those are affiliate links. So if you guys click on these links and purchase these, I do get a small commission. But you really don't have to click on them, but the option is there. So the demo on my eyes now. So I'm going to be going in with Annabelle Primer. Looks like this eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to prime my eyes. Deluxe crease brush, but it's really good for applying an eyeshadow base. Yeah, so far the colors aren't very pigmented, but it can wear completely different on your eyes as opposed to, you know, just doing the little finger swatch. Because your fingers tend to have oil, a lot of oil on them, so they tend to look better on the finger than when you apply them to your eyes, that I find. Just gonna, Here Goes Nothing. I think I'm just gonna swirl them around to set my eyeshadow base with a Real Technique setting brush. There's a little bit of kickback, but not too much. Oh yeah, there's a lot of kickback. They're kind of chalky. I'm gonna take Never Settle, so this color right here, and put that in my crease as my transition color. And I'm just going to be using any old blending brush will do. That color is really, really light. I don't really know what look I'm going for. It's pretty much just a demo, so I'm not really going for anything too cray-cray. Over where I put my transition shade, just maybe a little tiny bit lower. I think I might do a pop of color on the lash line. So I'm seeing that so far there's not a lot of pigmentation to most of them. Like the matte ones seem to be a little, no, sorry, the matte ones seem to not have a lot of color payoff, and then the shimmers are a little bit chalky, but I don't know. They seem to all be kind of different, so. Oh, I'm gonna go in with this is like a 217 brush, but it's not a real one, and I'm gonna take Pure Gold Baby, this color right here, and I'm gonna put that more on my outer V. This color's looks pretty good so far. Unapologetic with my Real Techniques Dual Fiber Brush. Put that on my, kind of the same position. And then when there's no product left over, kind of just take it in to the center, into the other corner of your okay, and then I'm just going to take that MAC 217 and just kind of blend out the lines. There's no product on this, no additional product. Individualist, this dark color with this really small the Balm crease brush, and I'm gonna put that on my outer V to kind of darken it up, put some depth. Okay, then we're just gonna take Unicorn, sparkly, this color down here, and I'm gonna put that on the inside. That under my brow bone. Pop of color, we're gonna take this color and put this on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna take the matte one first and then put the sparkly one over top of it. Trying to step out of my comfort zone here. Wow, this one's really pigmented. I got way too much on. I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup and fix this part right here, and I will be right back and I'll tell you guys my final thoughts, okay? Yeah, so this is the finished look. It looks okay. So these shadows, they're not very pigmented. The mattes were not very pigmented. Like there was the odd one was pigmented, but like this one was really pigmented. Like the darker shades were a bit more pigmented, but and the shimmers were very, very chalky, and they all of them had a lot of kickback, a lot of fallout. Yeah, so I'm kind of disappointed in these eyeshadows, but I would say that a couple of them are actually really good, like this blue one. So but yeah, so that was my review. So I would rate these at a 5, maybe a 3. But like I said, the lighter colors, the matte lighter colors, don't have a lot of color payoff, but the darker ones, they were pretty good. And the shimmers were kind of a miss for me just because they were kind of chalky with a little bit of fallout. So this is the look I created today. Yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button, give me a big thumbs up, it really helps me out. And click that little notification bell down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.